कार्ड जब सीख रही थी, ड्यूरिंग दैट मुझे ये लगता था, जब मैं देखती थी टैरो रीडर को, तो फनी थिंग ये लगता था डैड कि मुझे ये लगता था कि उन लोग ना सब कुछ सेंस कर लेंगे। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Tara, your psychic here. In today's video, I will be going to do a pick a card reading on the topic of your weekly energy. Yeah guys, बहुत like दिनों से मैं long video shoot नहीं की हूँ and this is very needed. I just thought that कि मैं create करूँ weekly energy based on what is coming in your life, what you need to hear, and at the same time your love life in this week. Everything single thing together. By the way, this will be a collective reading, so किसी के साथ resonate करेगा, किसी के साथ नहीं करेगा. Do let me know in comment section that कि आपको next topic किस वीडियो पे चाहिए, and आपका जो future spouse का जो है वो आने वाला है बहुत जल्दी, so wait for it, okay. एंड मैं यहाँ पे अपना जो कर्टेन है इधर वो कर रही हूँ. आई मीन बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है गाइस ड्यूरिंग रिकॉर्डिंग अ वीडियो ऑफ योर्स. आई मीन स्पेशली अगर आपका रिंग लाइट ख़राब हो गया हो तो नेचुरल लाइट सेट करना, it's so tough. So thank you for being there, thank you for everything which you have given to my channel as well. By the way अभी फ़िलहाल I mean if you like samosa then you are at the right place, because I have my samosa, like abhi I just, so I just really want to grab this, and then after I will going to do a reading. It's so freaking not so good to eat in front of camera, but if you really want to enjoy this type of content, whether I want to hang with you on live while eating, then please do comment me down below. I'm just considering these things guys, that as soon as possible मैं live करूँ. I mean online पर्सनल रीडिंग्स के लिए मैं ओपन हूँ. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन डैट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे चीज़ करने हैं लाइन बाई लाइन, एंड आई एम वर्किंग सो हार्ड फॉर डैट गाइज. या सो आपको वेट करने होंगे. So let me grab this one. If you really want to skip this part, please go and skip it, but I will going to talk little bit here, and and then after I will going to continue your reading, as well as just go follow my another channel which is Yancy Store करके. मैं वहाँ पे affiliate link से कुछ भी related वो करती हूँ. At the same time मैं वहाँ पे जो भी टैरो कार्ड से रीडिंग हो गया, अगर बिगिनर फ्रेंडली हैं आप, कोई भी चीज़ आप लेना चाहते हो, मैं वहाँ पे शेयर करती हूँ. बाय द वे वो अभी थोड़ा सा डिले चल रहा है उसमें, सो जस्ट फॉलो मी एंड प्लीज़ डू सपोर्ट मी गाइस. जो भी एफिलिएट लिंक है, जो भी मैं यहाँ पे जो भी चीज़ मैं शेयर करती हूँ, आप प्लीज़ मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए. बाय दैट आई कैन ब्रिंग सो मच थिंग्स टू यू गाइज. बाय दैट मैं इस चैनल का एस्थेटिक मेंटेन कर पाऊँगी. अ लिटिल कमीशन फ्रॉम यू गाइज, it will be very helpful for me, okay. So yeah, let me grab that, okay. Too good. By the way, I like samosa. ज़्यादा नहीं खाती हूँ, और कभी कभी खा लेती हूँ, मन के मुताबिक होता है. एक मिथ क्लियर कर देना चाहती हूँ. जब मैं टैरो राइट, लेकिन उनमें कोई पावर होता है, एक वो होता है डैट कि मैं जो सोचूंगी वो पहचान लेंगे कि मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ. मेरे डार्क सीक्रेट्स हैं वो भी रिवील हो जाएंगे, एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट विच वॉज सो इनसेन. लाइक जो टैरो रीडर होते हैं, जो साइकिक होते हैं, वो भी एक नेचुरल ह्यूमन बीइंग है. दे आर नॉट गॉड दैट कि दे कैन डिग इन टू योर लाइफ एज वेल, ओके. सो बहुत फनी स्टोरी है, बैक स्टोरी है. एंड 2020 was the time where I started my journey as a tarot reader, and now I learned so many things during that journey, that क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता है. If you really want to know how you can start your own journey, let me know in the comment section. I will love to make educational videos for you, because I know out of there you want that journey and you want something for you as well, okay. Well, I have 2 samosa, but I will going to eat only one. I love especially masala. I love that. The stuffing with badam, with mutton, they fit so well. If you haven't followed my second channel, follow it, guys. If you really want to know about my lifestyle, how I do certain blogs and something like that, well, follow it. 555 is recording time. A big changes is coming in your way. So, a biggest changes. Okay. Uh, and that changes is all about your career. I'm just kidding. Um, a very powerful changes is coming on where you don't have any idea. And at the same time, I just really want to say, guys, that um, the power of mantra, especially Krishnaya Vasudevaya, हरे परमात्मा पार्थ कलेश नाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः, जो ये है, I'm just chanting each and every time whenever I feel that I have something, right? 1 month से I was dealing with this heart issues, guys, that constantly क्या होता था कि during night time I just get heavy there, and due to that I was not able to sleep. I have sleepless night at the same time. So during that period I just really want to make you feel like that कि अगर आप ऐसे भी ऐसा हो रहा है आपके साथ, then consider the help of doctor as well, but at the same time consider the help of your spirituality as well. ये मंत्र बहुत पावरफुल है. अब रियली आप इसे जाकर मंत्र पढ़ो. अगर आपको ये नहीं आ रहा है, आप इसका अफर्मेशन सुन सकते हो 108 बार, एंड इट विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू सो मच, गाइस, बिलीव मी. I'm thinking of making you something very nice very soon. Okay, I'm not promising you anything, guys, that कि आप फैंटेसी बिल्ड कर लो एंड टू मच एक्सपेक्टेशन हो जाए आपको. बट ओनली आई रियली वांट टू से वन थिंग, जस्ट वेट. ओके, अगर आपको कोई पार्ट नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है सो प्लीज़ आप इसे स्किप कर दीजिए, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक मैं को ऐसा था कि इसे बस आई एम रनिंग सो लेट. ओके, मेरे को और सारे काम करने हैं, सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट कि इस वीडियो में सब कुछ हो गया. I was, I guess if you don't know, guys, मैंने अभी जस्ट MBA अपना कंप्लीट किया है, एंड आई जस्ट नीड टू फिगर आउट माई जॉब एज वेल. या if you really want this tumbler, I will going to give the link in description box. अब बहुत अच्छा है ये tumbler. By the way, this is gifted. So अब ये हो गया. अब मैं, oh my god, मैंने बहुत गंदा कर दिया है अपना. Okay, all right. So take a moment, breathe, and let's get started. So weekly energy मैं यहाँ पे देखने जा रही हूँ, and I will going to take the cards for you, which is my tarot cards as well. So स्पिरिट प्लीज कलेक्टिव के साथ कनेक्ट होइए एंड बताइए कि उनका वीक कैसा जाने वाला है. आई थिंक कोई दूसरा कार्ड डेक इसमें आ गया है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट कलेक्टिव के लिए वीकली एनर्जी कैसा होने वाला है. 7 of Pentacles, the core energy of yours. अब इतना लंबा हो ही गया है, सो आई जस्ट रियली वांट टू गिव यू अ little pile selection, guys, because I just feel like that key for some of you need that. So choose between one, and I will going to pick one more card for you guys, and I will going to make it shorter. Okay, just don't worry about that. Okay, so choose between these two piles, pile 1 and pile 2, and let's get started. Pile 1 and pile 2. Let's just see आपका वीकली एनर्जी कैसा जाएगा. Okay, so जिन्होंने ये चूज़ किया है, दिस इज़ योर, लेट्स फाइंड आउट दैट कि आपका ये वीक कैसे जाने वाला है. हाउ योर वीक विल बी लाइक. लेट मी ओपन दिस विंडो. Oh, now it's nice. पाइल नंबर 1 के एनर्जी से कनेक्ट हुए स्पिरिट एंड बताइए कि इनका ये वीक कैसे जाने वाला है. I will going to take only 3 cards, one for your career, one for your love life and one for your overall energy. Already 2 cards pop हो चुके हैं, एक और कार्ड मैं लूँगी. I will going to take by this one, like for your love energy. Okay, all right. So let's just see for your career as well, that what is coming in this particular week. 3 of cups की energy. So in your career you're getting a chance of something, like chances मिल रहे हैं that कि to start something new, and this is like a smaller project. Maybe you are going to start an internship, and this internship is all about any event, like you will going to attend any event, any seminar. I'm just getting in this particular week, and you will feel a sense of happiness and that gratitude that कि eventually आपका जो चीज़ जो भी आप complete करना चाहते थे वो हो रहा है. It is going to happen. So it is all about collaboration with someone. It's all about attending some webinar, attending some kind of event where you will going to 13 is recording time, where you will going to start your own career path. By the way, this is certain smaller project you are going to encounter. Okay, so this is your career energy. Career wise, I'm just getting that you're doing so much. You're going to start your own journey, and you will going to figure out where to go in this particular week. And I think this will going to happen 3 days from now. So you are going to attend, or you are about to going to attend, I mean you are about to attend this webinar or something. Attending का मेरे को दिख रहा है, कहीं celebration दिख रहा है आपके लिए on Wednesday itself. This is a particular thing I'm getting for you guys. Or in your overall your energy, a sense of optimism. आपका overall energy यही होगा is that you will feel a sense of joy. You will feel that a center of attraction, like आपका ओवरऑल एनर्जी ऐसा रहेगा इस वीक के लिए, इस दैट कि आप में स्टैमिना, ऑप्टिमिज्म, कॉन्फिडेंस, like कुट कुट के भरा रहेगा. You will going to rise in this way. Okay, in this particular week you will, well, what I mean, I'm going to thrive in this week. Okay, I'm also getting is that you will be very clear about the things which you really want in this particular week, and at the same time I'm just getting you will be very patient. Okay, you will be very patient. You will going to wait what you have done before, like बहुत ज़्यादा वेट करोगे चीज़ों को वो करने के, दैट कि ये कैसे कंप्लीट होगा, लाइक अंदर से पेशेंस रखना किसी चीज़ के लिए. In your love energy, I'm just getting kind of something emptiness. Okay, for some of you are feeling so lack in your love life. Okay, you're not feeling that much good in your love life. You feel that there is certain things which is bothering you at this period of time in this particular week. It is not about your overall thing, it's all about this week. You will feel that emptiness, that loneliness. So you don't have to rush in these things. Okay, you don't have to rush that. Okay, like आपके रिलेशनशिप में भी, आप रिलेशनशिप में और ये चीज़ ऑफ चल रहा है आप दोनों के बीच में, अच्छे से कोई भी चीज़ नहीं जा रहा है, and you feel that कि this person is not giving you time and anything else, certain things like कुछ झगड़ा चल रहा है आप दोनों के बीच, then advice दी है is that कि don't seek that validation outside. Okay, if something going off, just try to solve that, because that emptiness may be the reason this is happening, just because that you are feeling empty inside and you want that sense of validation from outside. But overall energy मेरे को आपका बहुत कामिंग लग रहा है, बहुत सूदिंग लग रहा है, बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है इस दैट कि यू आर डूइंग क्वाइट गुड इन टू योर लाइफ. which is very the sun energy, and the sun is very authoritative energy. So you will feel that you will going to be control in, I mean, you are making that control into your life. So that's kind of thing I'm getting for you guys. Okay. Okay, let us see for panel number 2. This is your energy. So I'm just feeling that this week will be very intense for you. So let us see. I will going to pick 3 cards, one for your career, one for your love life, and one for your overall energy. Okay, I just don't want to take this card. My intuition is speaking so higher. um okay, all right, this is your, oh my goodness, 3 major arcana. And this is quite significant because this 3 major arcana is all about bigger transformation, finding that strength from the things, like ये वीक आपके लिए बहुत बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग होगा. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद दैट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे चीज़ ऐसे पॉप अप होंगे वेर यू विल फील लाइक दैट कि यू वांट टू गिव अप. ओके, यू डोंट वांट टू वर्क सो मच. बट इस वीक में आपके लिए ये बताया जा रहा है दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी काम. Okay, you need to be very relaxed, you need to be very let go, you need to detach yourself a little bit. You need to take your time because situation will occur. बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ आपके सामने आएंगे एंड you need to have that strength to encounter those things. Okay, ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, anything. Okay, but I'm just getting that you will feel awakened in this week. You will going to realize certain things by the end of this week. You will going to finally realize, or you will get some ideas in order to start something new into your life. Because I'm just getting with your career energy is that you're rising above. You're rising above like a phoenix. Okay, your biggest transformation is coming in this particular week, and this is happening because you're not attaching yourself to the outcome. Okay, you are not attaching yourself to the outcome to the point where God has given this reward to you, but in order to grab this reward you need to be very detached. Okay, not bothered by anything. Okay, next thing, in the love situation there is an imperfection. Love is beautiful mess. Embrace its imperfection. You know, that's the clear indications from divine itself is that in your love life in this particular month, not month, this particular week, for some of you it could be a month also, you will feel is that you are going to accept every single thing. For some of you, you are a Virgos and you always find perfection in everything. But in this particular week, you will feel that everything, every messy thing आपको बहुत प्यारा लगेगा. Okay, you will not find that perfection. You will not find and you will not crave for perfection in your relationship in this particular month. You will feel like that ki if I love this person, then I will going to accept as it is. I will not going to be like you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to maintain something which I need and something like that. It is not happening. Okay, you're going to accept the things which you really want, or maybe it's your energy. You just don't be like that key who is giving you something like that you need to be perfect. Maybe you have a partner that they always asking you to be perfect in certain things, but you will going to realize that strength. You will going to realize that I'm not going to please anyone for that. I'm not going to, I mean, give my energy to someone who is not loving me for the fact that who I am really. They are loving just because I am just having, I mean, where I can be fit in their box. Okay, where they can imply or project their behaviors or something like that. Okay, you will not going to allow the people to walk over you as well in this particular week. So yeah guys, this is all I have to share in this video. I hope this gonna resonate with you, and if it's so, please comment down below. क्या resonate किया please comment me करना, comment me करना नहीं, comment down करना. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.